The experience of being enlightened is only the complete seeing that the person never existed here. Therefore, it cannot really be called an experience at all. It cannot be called a state. It's completely seen that the ego was complete imagination and falsehood. And at most times, it seems like a laughable idea. That I could be so strongly identified as a person seems like a laughable idea, a joke. And with this dissolution of personhood, we lose the ability to suffer. Nothing happening in the appearance can make you suffer. Pain can arise momentarily, but there is no sense of suffering. Of course, as byproducts, you can have many experiences, you can have many fireworks, you can also face many challenges. To play this out in various different ways. That is why I keep emphasizing that don't focus on the states or don't focus on the experiences. Those are truly not relevant. It is like your vision used to be colored through the spectacles of personhood earlier, where everything was seen from a personal perspective. Everything was seen from the eyes of what's in it for me, what is the benefit for me. And once this me is dissolved, then everything can be just flowing without the neediness, without us grasping for everything that we see. Then life becomes a lot of fun actually. But this joy does not mean that it has to be some blissed out state or freaked out state. It doesn't have to be a high in that sense. It is a very natural, peaceful, pure, neutral state. In fact, it is the state in which all other states arise. Aradhana says thank you. Ustreamer72 says yes, yes, yes. Ajnani says yes. Let's look at Aryav's question first, then we'll come to Ustreamer 600. So Aryav then says, right now we know intellectually what you say, but it is not my experience. At the very least, how can it be my experience? Yes. I know this question well because I also have carried this question in the past. That I have understood all of this, but how can it be my experience? But actually, it is not true that you know this only intellectually. You know the beingness, and awareness is ever present. Aren't you aware right now? The one that is aware of the seeming external world, the one that is even aware of the seeming internal world of thoughts, imagination, memories, emotions. Who is this one? Who is this one? Are you separate from this? You are aware right now, and this awareness you are. Don't expect it to be a phenomenal experience. Don't expect fireworks, because all phenomenal experiences that come will go. Don't expect a state to come and stay. All that can come will go. What lasts is the witnessing.